How to sign PDF document for free. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the best way. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me start with the video. So guys, here we are. So first you need to log in with your Adobe Acrobat account online. So you can see you need to log in with your email ID. Okay, you need to just go to the any browser, type for search engine. I'm using Google, and search for Adobe free signature. So here you can see the first you can see this source, which is official source from Adobe. Okay, so here you need to just sign up. If you have already account, you need to sign in. Okay, now we need to go in home and just open the any file. Okay, so for signature we need to go in this option and sign option, and just go to the fill and sign options. This option will be okay, enable now just need to select that file where you want to sign. You can choose recent file from here. You can also check your all documents in your account. You can upload the documents from your computer like this. It will be start uploading. Okay, once it's upload, come to the tools. Here you can see the at your left side there is a side panel. You can see the option called fill and sign option. Just click on it. So here you can see I have already created one signature, so just clear it. Now you can see you can insert the symbol, checkbox, and any you can also draw line. You can draw the rectangle with rounded corner. For signature we need to go and add signature. So here you can see the pop-up window. You can see the three options. First type, you can simply type your initials or signature. Okay, and you can just save. It will be inserted on your page. The second option, draw. You can simply draw your signature. You need to sign like pen. You need to just click your right button of mouse, hold it, and just sign the signature like pen. Okay, the third option, image. You can simply click the photo of your signature. You need to first sign on blank paper, then click the photos from your mobile. You can click the photo from your mobile, send it to your computer, and then you can select that image format of signature and just open it. So background will be removed automatically and signature will be highlight automatically. So you need to just select that image file. After that you have to save. This option for save, once you create any signature, it will be show here, and you can also pick it for further document sign. Okay, so you can enable it to save your created signature and just save it. Now you have to drop this signature the place where you want. You can increase the size from here. You need to just click on this big A. Okay, you can decrease size by clicking this small a. You can also delete this signature. After you done signature, you can also move this signature anywhere. You have to just click it, hold it, and drag whenever you want. After you done everything, just download it in this PDF, or you can create the compressed PDF with high, medium, low quality. If you another format, you can make Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and image format. Okay, and just download it. It will be download to your computer. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.